Hello dear students, a very good morning to all of you. Hope you all are doing well. So today in this video we are going to discuss about structure of cell. Alright. So you know that without cells life cannot exist. Now you might be interested to know about what is cell and how is cell made up of and what is present inside the cells that helps to perform all these activities. So that is what we are going to study now. What's the structure of cells and how the internal structure of cell look like. So the very first question is, what is cells made up of? So first of all we look at the different part of the cell, then we will discuss about each of those parts in detail one by one. Alright. So a cell is made up of components called cell organelles. So inside the cell again we have different types of components, and each of these components they are very specific role to perform. So each of components is called cell organelles. So now we will not discuss the all the cell organelles. Okay, here some of cell organelles we will discuss in your higher classes, but at least the important one we will talk about here. Okay. So a cell is able to live and perform all its functions because of these organelles. Because of these organelles present in the cells, and these help to perform all these activities. So each and every organelles perform one functions. Means, so let's suppose the cell is performed to 50 function. All right. So there are multiple organs to present inside. So each organelles is perform a particular function, right? So cells are present in all living organisms. Cells are present in bacteria. Cells are present in human beings. Cells are present in plants, and all of them, the organelles are the same. However, there are a little difference between a plant cell and an animal cell. A cell which is present inside a plant and a cell which is present inside an animal, they are slightly different from each other. But all animals will have the same cells organelles, and similarly all plant cells will have the same cells organelles. So here let's quickly look at the different organelles which are present inside the plant cells or animal cells. So these organelles are nucleolus, nucleus, ribosomes, vesicles, rough endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, mitochondria, lysosomes, cell membrane, which is also known as boundary of cell, which plays a very important role in plant cell as well as animal cell, and centrioles. So these are the basically the different structure of the or the parts of the cells. So here we are going to discuss about important organelles. About other organelles you will study in your higher classes. So let's try to look at the structure of the cell. So here observe the structure of the cell is onion peel. So now just take an onion and take a very thin slice of onion peel, and then you observe under it in a microscope. When you observe, what do you see? So now what do you see here? So here again you see a compartments, and these are the boundary inside the compartments. So these boundary are nothing but a cell membrane, and cell membrane is also known as plasma membrane. Okay. And inside the cell fluid is present. Okay, this fluid is known as cytoplasm. So plasm is related to plasma. Plasma means something related to fluid, and cyto is related to cell. So the fluid which is present inside the cell is called cytoplasm. Okay. Now, where the cell organelles present? Just now we talk about mitochondria, Golgi apparatus. So they are all embedded in cytoplasm, inside the cell, I mean. And another prominent thing you can see here, which is present of the cell. So this is the nucleus. Okay. So these are three: nucleus, cytoplasm, and plasma membrane. Very important thing which are be visible to you here. Okay. Means when we observe onion peel under the microscope, we see three important thing here, which is plasma membrane, cytoplasm, and nucleus.